Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're answering a common question: can you exchange gift cards for cash? The short answer is yes, but it depends on the type of gift card and where you're trying to cash it out. If you have a store-specific gift card, like Amazon or Walmart, you generally can't redeem it for cash directly unless required by state law. Some states, like California, allow small balances on gift cards to be redeemed for cash if they fall below a certain amount, usually $10. However, for most places, you'll need to find alternative ways to convert your gift card into money. One option is to sell your gift card through online marketplaces like CardCash, Raise, or GiftCash. These platforms let you sell unwanted gift cards for a percentage of their value. While you won't get the full amount, you can usually recover 80 to 90% of the card's worth. Some pawn shops and local classified ads, like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, are also good places to sell gift cards, but always be cautious and avoid scams. Another method is trading your gift card for another one you'll actually use. Websites like Cardpool or GameFlip allow you to swap gift cards with other users. Some grocery stores or retailers also have kiosks where you can exchange certain gift cards for a smaller cash amount or store credit. If you have a prepaid Visa or MasterCard gift card, it's easier to get cash. You can use it to withdraw money at an ATM, though there may be fees. Alternatively, you can use services like Venmo, PayPal, or Square to transfer the balance to your bank account by linking the card as a payment method. Some people also use these cards to buy money orders, which can then be cashed. Before selling or trading a gift card, always check the terms and conditions, as some cards have restrictions on resale. Also, be cautious when dealing with third-party buyers or individuals to avoid scams. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.